superstitious way to drive evil spirits from our midst. There are some who say that it is a reminder to us that life and marriages can be fragile and delicate, and that we need to nurture them with our care and our love, and that this will be the last time you use the power that is within you to destroy, and rather we pray you'll use your power and your abilities always to create a family, to create a life together, to create love and blessing in our world. But regardless of why we break the glass, what we know is that when the groom breaks the glass at a Jewish wedding, the ceremony has ended, the celebration can begin. And so we're going to send you forth as you tell us that this ceremony has ended and your celebration has begun, by reminding everyone to rejoice with you, by saying Mazel Tov, congratulations, and sending you forth with our most joyous and fervent blessing. Mazel Tov.